Hey guys, so I haven't posted in a while. I've been trying to put this all together for you guys, or finishing it up. I've been working on it for a couple of years, but trying to button it up a little bit here. But anyway, it's a whole sales course on how to sell your custom metal art, your metal signs, everything. It is pretty much everything that you're gonna want to know. It's everything I wish I knew when I started. It took me years and years, and I've spent tens of thousands of dollars learning this crap the hard way. But anyway, if you guys are interested, you can go to tinmanmetalworks.com. You can just hit here up on the courses. I'll leave a link for this down in the description, and it'll take you through a sign-up process if you're not signed up. And I'll leave two links in the description to get here. But once you're logged in, you'll be on courses, and this is a free membered area. This is a video course. This is pretty much what not to do. I learned all these things the hard way. This is a video course, so, you're just going to click on there.
The
and
number
hit
one reason new CNC
video.
plasma businesses fail is not knowing.
It'll start playing. You got the Inkscape drawing course here, which is pretty extensive. It takes you from pretty much not knowing how to use the program at all to being pretty much an expert. Once you learn this, you can post your own files on Etsy and make a bunch of money. I make a few $1,000s a month on my Etsy store just selling files. You can definitely do that too. I would suggest you grab this and go through it. It's completely free. It's a whole practice file pack here. If you hit the download button, it'll just download to your computer. There is a QuickBooks course, and this is all free. So this is a pretty extensive QuickBooks course. You can go through and keep track of your books, which is super important in any business. That's a book. There's a plasma roadmap. There's a sign calculator here. If you click it, it'll download. If you hit the Facebook group, you can join the Facebook group for free. It's just some CNC plasma sales and advertising help. And then if you want the paid stuff, you got the CNC Video Master course here. So you would click on that, and it'll take you here. This is pretty much just the starting point. Some simple ways to price your work and where to be at and how to figure out where to be at in your area. So this is an extremely extensive sales course. So this is a video course on how to understand your dream buyer, how to write sales copy, how to generate leads and offers, and that is how you're going to grab your customers from like a Facebook post or a Facebook ad or a Google ad or wherever you got these people. And it's going to show you how to gather their contact information so that you can stay in communication with them, because it is a proven fact that 96% of buyers that go to your website do not buy the first time. 96% of all sales comes from the back end, which is through email marketing, or they see your ad 3 to 5 times. That's just a statistic across every genre of sales. So you need to learn how to gather your leads and how to nurture them properly. You need to learn how to make an irresistible offer. This is a pretty extensive video course here on how to come up with an offer. You can't just say, hey, I'm selling a Jeep sign. It looks good. Jeep guy, buy it. You got to entice them into buying it. You got to use their language, and this is going to show you how to do all that. Some basic sales stuff. Creating a power guarantee. A guarantee is extremely important. You got to turn all of the risk back onto yourself, and it makes them buy. Hardly anybody is ever going to take you up on your guarantee. In fact, I think the statistic is like you get 5 more buyers just by having a guarantee that you would not have got prior. I don't remember exactly the statistic, but all this stuff does work. I learned this crap the hard way, man, and I'm just sharing it with you. So hopefully it helps you out, which I guarantee it will. And if it doesn't, you can have your money back. No questions asked. I don't really care. I'm just here to help you. So it'll teach you how to make landing pages. This is a secret selling formula. So this will take you step by step on how to go from like someone not knowing your company name and take you all the way through down to nurturing them with email marketing and how to set all that stuff up and everything. This is understanding unit economics, which is pretty important. how to get traffic, how to get your sales prospects, how to do simple Google ads, how to do simple Facebook ads to draw these people in. Got a whole another section of sales course here. You got a whole section on email marketing strategy, how to write emails, how to set them up, how to let people contact you, all that fun stuff. There's 107 videos in this course, and there's going to be a lot more to come. Now that's just the CNC Plasma Masterclass course. Then you go down here, and there are complete video courses on Facebook ads. There's a complete video course on Etsy. It's extremely extensive, actually. Instagram video course, how to advertise on TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, X, Twitter. There's an entire course on SolidWorks. You can get SolidWorks these days for $47, I think, for the year, for the 3D experience. And I have the 3D experience as well as the 2024 professional version of SolidWorks. There's absolutely no difference. None whatsoever. None. They do the same thing. In fact, I use the online version way more than I use the professional version, which cost me thousands of dollars. And they literally do the same thing. But you got a whole extensive course on that here. In the future, I'm going to throw out monthly products and stuff for you guys can just copy and paste them or whatever. And there's going to be a lot more. I'm going to do a much more extensive email marketing and how to make sales funnels and all that fun stuff. But this will keep you busy for at least 6 months going through this. I mean, there's a crazy amount of information in here, and is literally the shortcut to everything that took me years to learn, and you can learn it in a very short amount of time, comparatively. You know, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme kind of thing. If you expect to go in here and buy this and you're just going to make tens of millions of dollars in a week, it's not going to happen. You're going to have to put the work in. You're going to have to follow the steps. You're going to have to learn how to do these things, and that definitely changes the entire game in your business. It will definitely change the entire game and your bank account extremely. You know, grab it, learn it, go take the drawing course, learn to sell the files on Etsy. That'll get you a good side hustle income that you don't even, passive income. I mean, you don't even look at it. I literally check my Etsy once a month, if that. And that's only usually when I get a message from somebody that had a problem with a download or something. I make a few $1,000 there. Anyway, that's what I've been working on. Hopefully you like it. Go grab the free stuff if nothing else, and I'll see you in the next video. I have like 100 projects that I've videoed that I have to edit and still put up on YouTube, but I haven't been doing that much because I've been trying to get this done and out there. I wanted it out by January 1st, and here I am barely letting it out now. So I'm going to raise the price to $3,000 as soon as it is complete. So it's kind of in a beta stage for $100. So if you're interested in it, grab it. If you're not, no hard feelings, man. No big deal. I'm trying to help you guys out here. And anyway, hope you guys had a good Memorial weekend, and I'll see you in the next one.